Buckle up, because this isn't just another Nissan Z. This is a rolling tribute to legends, a time machine drenched in horsepower, and a love letter to Godzilla himself. The 2026 Nissan Z Heritage Edition is here, and it's about to make car enthusiasts lose their minds. First, let's take a moment. Farewell to the R35 GT-R. After 18 years and nearly 48,000 units, the beast has officially left the building. Nissan even gave it a proper tribute video. But here's the twist. They didn't bury the spirit of Godzilla. No way. They injected it straight into the Z, and the result is pure nostalgia mixed with modern performance. Just look at it. Midnight purple paint, straight out of the R34 GT-R playbook. Those 19-inch bronze raised wheels, absolute perfection. Side stripes in a 90s font, carbon fiber spoiler rocking a twin turbo badge, and wreath decals that scream heritage. This car isn't just a sports coupe, it's a shrine on wheels. Inside, you get subtle but powerful touches. Illuminated Z logos on the sills, custom mats, and the vibe of a driver's car through and through. Underneath, it's all business. Sport-tuned suspension, limited slip diff, and yes, you can get it with a 6-speed manual. Nissan knows what the people want. And here's the kicker. Only 500 of these beauties will exist. That means exclusivity, bragging rights, and a guaranteed collector's item from day one. Priced above the standard Z performance, but below the fire-breathing Nismo, it's the perfect sweet spot for enthusiasts who want heritage and horsepower in one package. This isn't the first Heritage Edition, but it's the most powerful nod to Nissan's glory days. It's the bridge between the legendary 300ZX and the iconic GT-R. With no new GT-R in sight, the Z now carries the torch of Nissan performance. And trust me, with a manual Nismo waiting in the wings, America is about to fall in love with the Z all over again. The 2026 Nissan Z Heritage Edition isn't just a car, it's an icon reborn.